Guys, we did a thing. We bought a cabin in the woods, 10-acre lot. We are currently renovating our house, and we have a lot of plans for this 10-acre, and I can't wait to show you what we're doing.
Since the sun is out, I decided I wanted to kind of show you guys the property and show you around because 10 acres is a lot of room. So to start, this is the main drive, or our driveway, I guess you'd call it. You can see it's not paved, it's been raining quite a bit, but it leads all the way up to the house. Here's the house. When Honey and I first came to look at it, it wasn't actually on our list, but the agent said it's close, so we came by, and naturally we were very drawn in by the rainbow paint. Right now you can see there's kind of a metal fence up here. I think that's to keep deer and other animals away from the house. And then you've got a couple of storage here for wood. And the chimney, that's where the fire stove is connected to. Here's the front yard. You can tell there's a lot of planter boxes and some ferns growing. The previous owner had a lot of plants. One thing you'll notice is there's not really any gutters on the main side here. That's something we'll be working on. From here, the property really kind of goes uphill. At first, it's really, I guess, dramatic. It's just like a really steep hill right here. But once you're up on that hill, it's kind of like a gradual incline. And here's a view of the house from up on that hill. I was just pointing at this hill over here. So the driveway is over here. Comes all the way around to here, and you'll see on this side there's more of that fence and some bigger planter boxes with some plants. There's actually a lot of plants in these still growing too. And then there's a whole other building, a detached garage that is 480 square feet. So no current plans, but lots of ideas thrown around for this. And so as we can continue on, I'm gonna keep just walking up this hill here. And I'll show you, but kind of next to the garage, I guess a little bit further up, there's this giant chicken coop. It's like a fortress. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see. But it's a little coop, and then it's like a giant, I feel like it's a dog crate. I think this was to keep bears away from the chickens and other predators. But yeah, pretty legit. A lot of chickens were probably in there. And you can see kind of just down here, this is the back side, that garage, and the property kind of goes up this way, and just kind of goes and goes. 10 acres is a lot of property. As we get higher up, I'm just continuing to walk up. There's an old water holding tank that's concrete. I guess it's in there, not sure what the state of it is, but not currently in use. And just a lot of trees and rocks, mossy rocks. One cool part of the property over here is there is frisbee golf hole. I think is cool. You can tell I'm getting further from the house, up on that road, so the driveway is still down there. But there's all these oak trees. There's also some really beautiful manzanita trees. As we head out this way, the previous owner built a very cool treehouse for her son. That's what you see over here up in one of the oak trees. Got a little swing. I dare not try. So to navigate you, there's the treehouse. Over here. Whoop, right there. House down there, chicken coop, water tank, garage. I'm up at kind of like, it's not flat, but it's nearly flat. And the property continues all the way through there, through that manzanita grove, even further, but I'm too lazy to walk out there.
That's the end of our tour. Thanks for following along. It's the second week, and we can't wait to post all of our renovation projects for you.
If you're interested to see what we're doing on the inside and outside of the house, subscribe. I'm going to be posting videos as fast as I can.
And if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram. We are asking people for suggestions on what to do, how to update and stuff like that. So follow along, participate. We'd love your input. Peace out.
Peace out.